Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Sandy Springs, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Cardi B and Offset. Set on a sprawling 6-acre private property, the mansion has 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 4 half bathrooms, a wine cellar with an 1,800 bottle capacity, and an underground shooting range. It's surrounded by trees and European-style hedges. It was built fairly recently in 2006, the large doors, open layout of each room, and tall columns with ornate designs, and stand in stark contrast to the sleek, modern abodes. The home also comes with a garage that is listed for 4 cars. The home is just north of Buckhead, in Sandy Springs, which is an inner ring suburb of Atlanta. While we don't know how much the couple ended up paying for the massive house, we do know it was listed for sale with a whopping $5,790,000 price tag. Just as you walk past the grand entrance, you are greeted by a foyer that boasts a wide-open hallway into the 22,500 square foot home. The oversized chandelier and a stylish winding staircase perfectly balance the vibe somewhere between a warm and inviting home and a palace fit for a queen. An open-concept living room with full-length Juliet balconies overlooks the serene backyard. What's even more impressive about this space is that it seamlessly connects to another living room right by its side, which offers a more intimate setting, with lower arched ceilings. The owner's bedroom with coffered ceilings looks more like a 7-star resort suite, having a separate seating room, with its own fireplace, and a spa-like ensuite master bathroom. There are 2 separate walk-in closets, that open up into each other, through a connecting passageway, and are tall enough to require a ladder to reach the highest shelves. While the kitchen is adorned with ornate stained wood cabinetry, and gleaming marble countertops, the dining area has a surprisingly warm and inviting feel despite its home-appropriate size. Stepping into the cozy, wood-paneled home office, you'd be forgiven for thinking that you had traveled back in time to a bygone era of royalty. Rounding up the home is the massive basement with tall pillars that is taken up largely by Offset's man cave, as he calls it, and Cardi's makeup and dressing room. Walking out towards the back, you realize that the chateau-style home wraps itself around a fan-shaped infinity pool. The space opens up into perfectly manicured lawns that lead to the densely forested surroundings. There is also an expansive back deck that overlooks the pool and offers majestic views of the entire property. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe.
Perfect.